Welcome to the channel. Today I just wanted to do a quick update on what future videos I've got planned for you guys. First of all, I'm doing a build video on this, which is a 3-inch copter, and I'll also be looking at the Runcam Split 2 and the noise that's generated by it and how you can fix it. And then I'll be doing my build on the 6-inch Alien. I'm converting it over. I've had this for a while, but I'm converting it over to a long range copter. So I've got all the gear, so that'll be pretty good for that one. We have this Arduino board here, so I'll be doing some projects based around this. So I'll be controlling things on a quadcopter like motors and things like that, so that'll be quite interesting. And linked to what I've just talked about with the Arduino will be this. So this is a thrust stand for testing motors, and so the Arduino will be connecting up to here, and I'll be able to program different speeds on there. So it's a bit of fun, but it should be quite interesting. And finally for this update is what I've been doing on this Taranis of mine here. So a lot of bling happening, a lot of mods and things like that. So I'll give you an update on how I've done with that and where you can get all the parts. So there we have it for today. Thanks very much, and we'll catch you next time. Bye for now.